As the investigation continues into the deaths of 12 people Friday at the Virginia Beach Municipal Center, the mass shooting already stands out among similar deadly killings. Good evening. I'm Maria Elena Dolores.
And I'm Stephanie Harris. Authorities say that Dwayne Craddock used a suppressor on his .45 caliber pistol. We know them better as silencers, and they're not easy to get. Investigative reporter Chris Horne has more on why suppressors are in a special category of weapons. Chris?
Yeah, Stephanie and Lena, the law that governs suppressors, the National Firearms Act, goes way back to 1934 in the wake of Prohibition and the days of gangsters. That means suppressors are in the same category with machine guns and sawed-off shotguns. People who were working in Building 2 Friday afternoon and survived the massacre might have been closer to the line of fire than they originally thought. That's because the suspect's weapon, a .45 caliber handgun, according to local police, was fitted with a suppressor. It muffles the sound but doesn't eliminate it. As a result, it can mislead someone who hears it into thinking that the gunfire is not close by. Virginia is one of 42 states that allow suppressors, and the nearest one that bans them is Delaware. Police say the suspect's suppressor was purchased legally. Advocates of suppressors say they can guard against hearing damage for sport shooters and limit noise complaints from neighbors who live near gun ranges and hunting grounds. But opponents say they are only good for stealth when someone wants to kill without being detected. If you want to buy one, don't be in a hurry. You have to fill out a federal background check. Then you have to give a copy to your local sheriff or police chief. You'll have to include your fingerprints and a photo, plus a payment of a $200 tax for each suppressor. We talked with Bob Marcus of Bob's Guns in Norfolk. He said he had 2 recent approvals for suppressors, and they were filed about a year ago. He says he gets about a dozen applications for suppressors each month. And Marcus went on to say that silencers vary by size and quality. They run anywhere from $250 to $1,000 and up. ATF says that if you have a legal silencer attached to an illegal weapon, say a machine gun, for example, the prison sentence is not less than 30 years. First offense, not less than life in prison for a repeat offender. Chris Horne, 10 on your side.